Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows Media Player cannot play the file, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the main resolution. So here's the thing. Other websites and channels will suggest countless solutions. Well, we know the issue is with the codecs. Okay. So you can also check it on the Microsoft Answers forum and other forums and all. Now they will suggest downloading codecs. I say, why use Windows Media Player at the first place? I have never used it. I don't like it. I think that VLC is a much better option for countless reasons. So search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for VLC. Wait for it to load. Go to VLC and then click on install here. Now once it is installed, right click on the file, select open with, choose another app, VLC, and then select always. That's it. That will be the resolution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.